Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Tennessee Volunteers football is probably one of the most exciting and talked about aspects of college sports, captivating fans with its rich history, passionate fan base, and the sheer thrill of game day, making it a cornerstone of athletic tradition and a source of immense pride for the state and its alumni. Number 5. Franklin Sports NCAA Mini Football. Introducing the Franklin Sports NCAA Mini Football, designed for young fans. It's perfect for easy handling and fun play. This mini football stands out with its unique embossed logos, offering a special look and feel that any fan will appreciate. Its 8.5-inch size is ideal for little hands, making it easy for your future star to catch and throw with confidence. Featuring our exclusive space-lace technology, it guides fingers to the right spot, making spiral throws effortless for all ages. The soft air tech cover enhances grip, building confidence in young players. It's perfect for any casual outdoor gathering. This officially licensed football showcases team-specific logos and colors, so you can show your team's spirit with pride. What we like. If you're looking for a football that's easy for young hands to grip and throw, this is the one. Its special lacing system helps guide fingers for tighter spirals. This is perfect for aspiring young quarterbacks practicing in the backyard or at the park. What people say. The stadium offers a great view of the field from almost every seat. The atmosphere on game day is electric, with passionate fans creating an unforgettable experience. Plenty of food and drink options are available throughout the concourse. Number 4. Tennessee Vols 42 PC Party Decorations. Get your party ready in a flash. This kit is pre-assembled and perfect for any Tennessee Volunteers celebration, saving you precious time. Everything you need is included for a festive and coordinated look. It comes with a banner, cake topper, cupcake toppers, and swirl decorations. It's ideal for a variety of events, from college send-offs to team spirit days. It also pairs perfectly with other themed party supplies. Made from recyclable paper, this is a great alternative to plastic decorations. It's good for the planet and enhances your party's atmosphere. This makes a fun and thoughtful gift for students, graduates, or sports fans. It's also great for hosts who appreciate convenience and style. What we like. For the ultimate fan who wants a hassle-free party setup, this is your go-to. It comes with everything you need, pre-assembled for instant celebration. If you love convenience and want to show team spirit without the stress, this kit is ideal for birthdays or game day parties. What people say. The stadium offers excellent sightlines from almost every seat, ensuring you don't miss any of the action on the field. The atmosphere during game days is electric, with passionate fans creating an unforgettable experience. The team's offense is explosive, capable of putting up big numbers and exciting the crowd with their dynamic play. Number 3. Masterpieces NCAA Tennessee Vols Domino Set. Get ready for game day with this collectible travel dice game designed for Tennessee fans. It's perfect for tailgating or family fun at home. This set includes a collectible tin box, 28 resin dominoes featuring the team logo, and clear instructions. Show your team's spirit wherever you go with this portable domino set. It's the ultimate collectible for any dedicated fan. Designed for sports fans of all ages, from 3 and up, this game provides endless entertainment for everyone. From Masterpieces, an American puzzle and game company, we guarantee our products and your satisfaction. Enjoy the quality and fun. What we like. If you enjoy classic games with a team twist, this domino set is a fantastic choice. The dominoes feature the team's logo, making it a unique collectible. It's perfect for tailgating or family game nights, offering a fun way to engage with fellow fans. What people say. The stadium has a great atmosphere and the fans are very passionate. The team has a strong offense and a solid defense, making them a tough opponent. Attending a game is a memorable experience with exciting plays and a lively crowd. Number 2. Masterpieces NCAA Matching Game. Get ready to test your knowledge and memory with this exciting NCAA matching game. It's perfect for fans of all ages who want to celebrate their favorite teams. Each card features vibrant imagery and iconic moments from NCAA history. You'll have a blast trying to find the matching pairs and relive those unforgettable plays. This game is designed for everyone, from young fans to seasoned alumni. It's a fantastic way to bring the family together for some friendly competition and team spirit. Show your team pride with this officially licensed NCAA product. You can be sure you're getting authentic gear that represents your passion for college sports. Looking for the ultimate gift for the NCAA enthusiast in your life? This matching game is a guaranteed hit, offering hours of entertainment and a chance to showcase their fandom. What we like. For a fun and engaging activity that sharpens memory, consider this matching game. It's designed with team themes to keep fans entertained. If you're looking for a game that's suitable for all ages and promotes cognitive skills, this is a great option for family game time. What people say. The stadium is always packed with passionate fans, creating an electric atmosphere. The team's offense is explosive, with a strong running game and a talented quarterback. The defense is stout and aggressive, consistently forcing turnovers and shutting down opposing offenses. Number 1. Masterpieces NCAA Tennessee Volunteers Panoramic Jigsaw Puzzle. Show your team spirit with this officially licensed panoramic jigsaw puzzle. It's perfect for game day or any time you want to feel closer to the action. This challenging puzzle features 1,000 uniquely shaped pieces that fit together tightly. The anti-glare finish makes it easy on your eyes, even during long puzzling sessions. We care about the environment, which is why this puzzle is made from 100% recycled materials. It's also printed with non-toxic, soy-based inks for safe handling. Beyond just fun, it's designed to be mentally stimulating. It can help improve problem-solving skills and provide a relaxing way to unwind. This is more than just a puzzle, it's a great social activity for adults and families. It's a fantastic way to spend quality time together. Looking for a gift for the ultimate fan? This puzzle is a unique and engaging option that any adult or kid would love to receive. What we like. If you love a challenging and visually stunning puzzle, this is for you. It features a panoramic view of the football stadium, offering hours of engaging fun. This is perfect for adults and families who enjoy a mentally stimulating activity and want to showcase their team pride. What people say. The stadium offers excellent sightlines from almost every seat, ensuring a great view of the action on the field. The fan experience is electric, with passionate crowds and traditions that make every game memorable. The team's offense is explosive, capable of putting up big numbers and exciting plays throughout the game. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.